Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off the automatic locking or child safety lock for the Panasonic microwave. There's a new microwave I got from Panasonic. This is pretty awesome. I love this microwave. It's very powerful. It's great, but the annoying part is that these new microwaves have a door lock button. So every time you cook, let's say you start that, you stop it, try to open the thing, it won't open. It has a little lock button like that when you try to stop it. So you have to actually hit the door lock button so that thing will hit back to time. And that's when you can open it. Now to turn that off, here it's really easy. You go ahead and close it, hit the turbo defrost, then you hit the timer clock, then you hit the popcorn button, it's going to say off. Then now it's back to normal. Let's hit the 30 seconds again, start it, goes. Let's say I want to stop it, clear, goes right to timer, doesn't have the lock thing, you can just open it. Very cool. That's how it's supposed to work, but they have a nice safety thing with the child. Again, this is how you do it. You know, I'm gonna lock it again. So if you go to defrost, timer clock, popcorn, turns back on. So now that lock is on. So let's try it again real fast. Goes on, stop, clear, it's locked. So can't open it. You have to actually push this door lock button and then unlock it. Now, again, how to turn it off? Defrost, timer clock, popcorn, off, and then done. Works. Very cool. Thanks for watching.